So hey guys, welcome back to my new video. So today we are gonna create the best 11 of 23-24 season. I'm very excited and I hope you all will like this video. So our first position is of goalkeeper, and I personally think that David Raya takes this place because David Raya has the most clean sheets in Premier League, and Premier League is one of the toughest league in the world. So yeah, I think David Raya worked in this position. Now, our second position is of centre back, and I personally think that Rudiger definitely worth for this position because Rudiger was one of the most important players for Real Madrid and to win the UCL. So yeah, I think Rudiger definitely worth this place. Now, our second centre back, again, I'm still gonna stick with Ruben Diaz. He was the best in 22-23 season, and I personally think that he's best in this previous season also because Ruben Diaz was amazing. Man City actually won the Premier League. So I think Ruben Diaz is the second best centre back after Rudiger. Now our fourth position for the best 11 team is a right back, and I think Trent Alexander-Arnold was the best right back in this season. And you have to agree with me that Trent Alexander-Arnold was best, and also rumors are coming for Real Madrid to buy Trent Alexander-Arnold. Now our fifth position is a left back. And guys, you all also know that Elfon is definitely in the left back position. I personally think that he was amazing in Bayern Munich, and obviously everyone saw that goal of Alphonso Davies against Real Madrid. So yeah, Alphonso Davies take this place. Our next position is of a centre midfielder, and yeah, the Ballon d'Or winner. There are 60% of chances that Jude Bellingham will win the Ballon d'Or. So yeah, he takes this place. Now people will say that he is a centre forward, but his official position is a centre midfielder. But Real Madrid he plays as a centre forward sometimes, but actually officially his position is a centre midfielder. Now our second centre midfielder, he's actually a cam kind of, but we have to give him a central midfielder position because he plays sometimes in this position, and he is Kevin De Bruyne. I know he was injured for most of the time, but when he returned, he provided so many assists to Haaland, and that was really good. Okay, so our next position is another CM, and I personally think that Odegaard takes this place. He was amazing. I actually want to take Rice, but his official position is a central defensive midfielder, so I can't take it. But I actually think Odegaard was amazing. He actually provided many assists to Saka and Havertz. Position is a left winger. I think this is one of the most arguable position because people will compare two best players, one Phil Foden and one Vinicius Junior. But my choice will be Vinicius Junior.
Run.
Arsenal fan, and I think that Vinicius Junior definitely worth in this place, and also Phil Foden is really good, but for me I think Vinicius Junior was better. Now let's go to the right wing position. And in the right wing position, now people will argue that I can actually keep Phil Foden in the right wing position, but actually officially Phil Foden don't play as a right winger, he plays as a left winger. So in the right wing position all over the world, the best player according to me was Mohamed Salah. So I actually need to keep him in this position. His stats were amazing. You can go and check it out. His stats in 23-24. So now I think this is the most difficult position, the striker. There are three candidates: Kylian Mbappe, Haaland and Harry Kane. And guys, see, Haaland definitely doesn't give that much this season. He's stats were good, but people say that he's a big match flop. That's why. So I'm not gonna keep Haaland, but there are two main candidates, Mbappe and Harry Kane. But guys, striker is the position of stats. And Harry Kane was the top scorer. So I actually keep Harry Kane in this position. So this is the best 11. In the goalkeeper there is David Raya, Rudiger, Ruben Diaz, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Davies, Alphonso Davies, Kevin De Bruyne, Jude Bellingham, Odegaard, and then Mohamed Salah, Vinicius Junior, and Harry Kane. I know this team can be better because the names of these players are not that much popular. Like I can keep Alisson. I may keep Alisson in the place of David Raya or Courtois, and maybe in the striker position I can keep Mbappe. But I think this is the best. And definitely comment down below your best 11. And if I think that your best 11 was good, was one of the best, then I'll pin that comment. And definitely please like and subscribe. Your one like and subscribe gives me a lot of motivation. So bye bye for now.